Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno8 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again and find backup and reset option. Let's tap on it and then tap on reset phone at the very bottom. And as you can see at the top of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so reset network settings. Let's simply tap on it. We will have to confirm everything with our screen lock, of course. And now tap on reset network settings. Wait a second, and as you can see, we've got this information that the network reset has been completed successfully. Be aware that you cannot undo this action, so take this under the consideration. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.